Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by installing Google Drive for desktop and signing in. This links your PC to your Drive. Next, make sure you have about 10% free disk space so syncing won't stall, and pick the first folders you want to sync. Decide whether to mirror files for local copies or use streaming to save space. Once chosen, click Start and let the client initialize. The app will create a Drive folder. Use it like any folder while sync finishes in the background. Once the client is running, open Preferences to configure bandwidth and proxy settings so transfers don't monopolize your network. Then choose which My Computer and Google Drive folders to include. This controls what's mirrored or streamed. Make sure to exclude large temporary files or specific file types you don't need synced, and set CPU or battery limits if you want low impact on laptop performance. After adjusting, click Apply. Files begin to complete. Confirm the status reads up to date and inspect icons for any errors. Green means good, red indicates problems. If you encounter file conflicts, pick whether to keep the local or cloud version and then let Drive resolve duplicates. For stubborn sync issues, restart the Drive app and sign out, then sign back in to force reinitialization. If that fails, pause and resume syncing or reboot your PC. These steps usually resolve permission or network hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.